During this demonstration, we will show you how a service desk analyst can quickly resolve a service request by searching the knowledge base and finding a predefined solution. We will also show how a service desk analyst can link a new service request to an existing global incident. Finally, we will show how a service desk analyst can open a new incident when an existing solution or global incident cannot be found. This process lowers your support costs by focusing your incident analysts on new issues without known solutions. Let's log in as a service desk analyst. The service desk analyst is shown a start center which allows creation, tracking, and management of requests. On the far left side of the screen is the navigator, which allows the analyst quick access to any application in the system. On the right side of the screen is the service desk analyst's start center. Each group can have a different start center configured that focuses on their most common tasks. In this analyst's start center, we have the quick insert portlet, which allows the analyst to quickly create new messages, solutions, or other items. In the service desk applications portlet, the analyst can quickly access the most pertinent applications for his or her job. In the global incidents portlet, the service desk analyst can see incidents that are affecting the entire network. The Known Problems portlet shows currently known problems that are already being worked. On the top of the Start Center, we find the bulletin board, which the analyst can use to view current system messages as well as post new messages for other users. The My Work queue shows the work that the analyst has already taken ownership of, and the Service Desk Group queue shows all of the work that has been queued to the analyst's team, which does not yet have an owning analyst. A service request can be automatically routed to a particular service desk queue based on the ticket type or any of the other attributes of the service request. Any service level agreements can also be automatically applied to the service request and will calculate the response times required for this type of service request. Now, within the Service Desk Group queue, let's search for a new service request that has been routed to the queue and start working on it. Let's look at the request called Cannot Reach Oracle Financials Website. Notice it has the status of new. Select the service request. As you can see, no owner is assigned to the problem yet, so click on the Take Ownership icon so that the analyst will be listed as the owner. Notice that the service request is automatically changed to the queued status. Change the status to In Progress to indicate that you're actively working on it. Notice that the end user has added details to the service request, indicating the specific error message that was experienced. Screenshots can also be attached by the end user. Go to the Solutions Details tab. Notice that no solution has been found yet to resolve this service request. Click on the Search Solutions icon. Notice that the type of the service request is automatically filled in to the search panel. Now click the Find button to search for known solutions that match this type of service request. As we can see, the second one in the list matches the Internet Explorer error described in the service request details. You can expand it to see more details about the symptom, cause, and resolution. There is a resolution available for this issue. Click the Use Solutions button, and the solution's symptom, cause, and resolution are automatically filled into this service request. Since we've resolved the service request, we need to change its status to Resolved. Select the Change Status icon and then change the status to Resolved, and click OK. An email notification is sent to the submitter with the solution resolution details. Return to the Start Center and you can see that in the My Work portlet, the service request is now listed as resolved. For the next scenario, we will show how a service desk agent can link a new service request to an existing global incident. Search for a service request in the My Work portlet called Slow Responses on All Applications, and then select it. It doesn't sound like a solution could resolve this problem, so I will look to see if there's an existing incident already opened. Select Action, Show Similar Tickets. This returns a list of open incidents, problems, and service requests similar to this service request. You can see that there are a lot of network slow issues open, and that there's a known incident and problem that sound like the same symptom. Select the incident and select Related Records. Go to the Related Records tab and see that this incident has been linked to this service request. An email can be sent to the submitter confirming that this related incident is the same as the issue they are experiencing. Once this related incident is resolved, the original service request will also be set to resolved automatically. Finally, if there are no other known incidents related to this service request, I might need to create a new incident to send to Level 2 support to help resolve the service request. Search for a service request in the My Work queue called Application Issue. Open this service request and review the Details section. This is an RTC application issue. Click the Search Solutions button in the toolbar, and notice for this type of problem there are no known solutions that match this error. Close this panel. From the Select Action menu, click Create Incident. You will be able to see the incident created for this service request by selecting the Related Records tab. Navigate to the new incident record by selecting the double arrow icon and choose Go to Incidents. Notice that the type of incident matches the type of the original service request, application issue, and that the details are copied to the new incident. Whenever this incident is resolved, the originating service request will also automatically be resolved. We can now sign out from the Service Desk Analyst. The Service Desk Manager can log into their Start Center to see the general health of the service request and incident management processes and take any necessary corrective actions. Log in as the Service Desk Manager. The Service Desk Manager has many of the same capabilities in their Start Center as the agent, but has an additional set of reporting and analytics available to them to help ensure that their service request and incident processes are meeting their process goals. You can easily configure additional portlets to meet your own process goals. The Service Desk Manager can see average incident resolution time, late incidents, and open incidents. In the Late Incidents portlet, let's drill down to the SRMNet owner group by clicking on that name in the list, and you will see a list of incidents that are assigned to the SRMNet group that have not been solved within the defined time period. Service Desk Managers can click on any one of them to see the incident progress, review the work log, or send an email or instant message to the incident owner to see exactly why the incident is taking so long to resolve. Now sign out. In this demonstration, we have seen the Service Desk Analyst Start Center and how it's used to receive and manage work. The Service Desk Analyst received a service request and moved the request through the service request and incident processes. Predefined solutions were used for fast resolution when the service request dealt with a known problem, and an incident was assigned to Level 2 support when more analysis was needed.